Another Centurion D5 Evo that's been stolen. So we're here to fit the new one. Let's quickly see how it goes. Stay tuned. Just to have a look, we've secured the steel base plate with a steel rod down into the ground on the front side. Then we've added flat bar brackets on the rear side. So we do have a firm base to work from in order to install our Centurion D5 Evo sliding gate motor. Here we have our Centurion D5 Evo gate motor assembled onto the steel base plate. Not everyone has means to buy anti-theft brackets, but we still need to protect our gate motors from being stolen. So what we do is we fit into 40 by 40 by 3 angle iron brackets, which we weld down to the steel base plate of the gate motor. Just pick it up there. So basically you can try and unbolt the motor. You will have to cut off the angle irons in order to get the gate motor off. Let's look at the other side. Here on the other side we have the same steel nut spring washer with a washer onto a 40 by 40 by 3 angle iron, which has been welded to the steel base plate. So, and obviously the client's details has been burned out onto the gate motor. We document all equipment serial numbers. On the front side we again have the serial number engraved onto the gate motor, as well as the client's details with the cell number. Here we can see the gate motor is obviously clearly new, 2023-04-26. Serial number is there. On the top, underneath the controller card, we again document client details, serial number, contact number, gate motor controller card, serial number, and obviously the power supply serial number. Right, we're done fitting the steel gate rail. You'll see the spacing 400 apart, solidly welded, and that's what you need. If you want a successful gate motor installation, make sure that you've got enough supporting brackets. Here on this gate we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 brackets on a mere 4 meter steel sliding gate. Okay. Right, you can see that the Centurion D5 Evo gate motor is standing dead still. No vibrations, no leaning over. Great motor. Right, have a look at the origin marker. And when it comes passes the gate motor. There you have it. That's what you want.